Meditation, relaxing breathing for children. When children experience feelings of anxiety, excitement, anger, or fear, returning to their breath is the quickest way to help them calm down. This relaxation exercise can also be used as a daily practice, forming the habit of turning inward and being present naturally and easily through fun and cute images like pets, balloons, and candles. Parents or adults can model the practice with their children during the first few times to help younger kids grasp the technique quickly and accurately. We will do a few very easy movements together, and you will feel very comfortable afterward. Are you ready? First, let your body relax. Asterisk, asterisk, movement 1. Stand firm and stretch your arms up high as you can. Let your whole body reach up, really high. Very good. Now lower your arms and take a long breath. Let's do it again. Stretch your arms up high as you can. And now lower your arms and take a long breath. One more time. Stretch your arms up high. Now lower your arms and take a long breath. Very good. Now for asterisk, asterisk. Movement 2. Stay standing firm and stretch your arms out to the sides, spreading them wide as possible. Stretch both arms and your body wide. Very good. Now lower your arms and take a long breath. That's right. Let's do it again. Spread your arms wide as possible, and now lower your arms and take a long breath. Cook. One last time. Spread your arms wide and now lower your arms. Great. Now sit down, either on a chair or on the floor, sitting up straight. Now breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Place one hand on your chest. As you breathe, feel your chest moving up and down. That's right. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your chest rising and falling. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now place one hand on your belly. As you breathe, you will also feel your belly moving up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your belly rising and falling. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's play another game. Hold one finger in front of your mouth, a little away from your lips, and pretend this is a candle. Now gently blow on the candle, blowing softly so you don't extinguish it. That's right. Blow gently. Can you feel the warmth on your finger when you exhale? Take a breath and blow again, really lightly, blowing for a long time. Cook, cook. You're doing great. One last time. Blow gently for a long time and feel the warmth. Cook, cook. Now take a strong breath and blow out to extinguish the candle. Cook. Now let's play another fun game. Do you know how a puppy breathes after playing happily? It breathes like this. Let's imitate the puppy. One more time. Last time. Ha ha, that's fun, isn't it? You're doing really well. Now, how about a cat? After playing, a cat will make a sound like hey, let's imitate the kitten together. One more time. One more time. Last time. We've had so much fun. Now if you can, lie down, stretch your arms and legs out and relax. If there's no space to lie down, sitting is fine too. Close your eyes and imagine you are a balloon. Now, the balloon is floating up into the sky, rising high, rising higher. Smile, breathe gently, and relax, letting your body feel light. Continue to imagine you are very light, like a balloon, and you are floating up, really high. Keep lying down and relaxing until you feel completely comfortable and at ease. Now gently move your body. Feel your toes and fingers. Feel your whole body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Now slowly open your eyes to finish this exercise.